Good morning, everybody. And kicking off with Euro USD as we normally do, uh, pretty much nothing going on. We've ranging, as you can see. Haven't really broken the range. I've had those levels in all week, and we're still flirting with the bottom level here. So we're waiting for some kind of a catalyst. And to be quite honest, I don't think there is a catalyst. If you look at it on the hour, one thing that is very clear is that the oscillators have sort of eased towards the top, and you can see as they group and cross over, then there's normally a pretty rapid fall. So that is happening at the moment as we speak. We are in a downward trend, so there is a strong possibility of this area here being some kind of top of range at the moment. So 097241. But the problem is that, look where the buyers are coming in. The buyers are coming in right down here at 096825. So as far as I'm concerned, Euro USD, nobody knows which way to go at the moment. So we're just hovering around here, gathering some, I won't say steam, but we're just sort of gathering ourselves. If you look at the oscillators here, crossed over all over the place, no real indication there. Logic from an 8-hour perspective, I want to be short higher up. I want to be short up there. That is the area I want to be short, which is 098741. But until we go back and test that, this is to me not giving any opportunity. So that is a sit on hands. US dollar Japanese yen still meandering to the upside. We're not getting any pullback onto anything, and this kind of setups just worry me because you battle to get an entry, and if you're battling to get an entry, there are multiple other people that are battling to get an entry, and typically what happens is we all decide to hell with it and we jump in because we're so scared of missing out on this freight train. And at that point, the institutions are watching and they understand what you're doing, and they immediately trade in the opposite direction because they know your stops are all here, and they start triggering stops all the way down. So my narrative here stays the same. The only thing that I am going to trade is a pullback, which I'll buy currently for today. That is at 146.367. We get down there, I'd be interested in buying, but we've got gaps, we've got structure to the downside, and we're going parabolic from the moving averages, so I have no interest in jumping in up here. I want to see the pullback, so we'll sit on hands until we see the pullback. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. Here in South Africa we have a saying, "Ya know well fine," and well, that's exactly what this is. Complete confusion. Look to the left. It's this area here it has some huge interest for everybody for some reason. And if we just drill down to the 1 hour, below the moving averages, above, below, above. So what are we going to be doing? Are we going to be coming back? More than likely. So there is an opportunity here if this moving average here holds, but that's going to indicate a strong British pound, and I don't think that's going to happen. Not with the noise around pension funds and the central banks in the UK at the moment. So I think everybody is just treading water here, waiting to see what is going to happen before they pick a direction and drive the market, either up or down. But at the moment, this is a sit-on-hand scenario for me. We are starting to separate here, so it could very well be some kind of a pullback onto structure and then sort of an explosive move to the upside, or we're just going to drop back below the moving averages again. So this is a clear sit-on-hands for me as well. Moving on to Euro, British pound, and obviously similar scenario there. We've got the Euro treading water against the dollar, and now we've got the Euro treading water against the pound at the moment. But again, look at this. Big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. Big confusion, no real direction. And you can see we had a massive move up and then a massive move down. Above the moving averages, below the moving averages. So for me, there isn't even any structure here that I can write home about. I'm sitting on the sides. I'm not interested in this. Actually got no interest in Forex at all. And all the indexes are kind of following suit. There's no real direction. But we'll see what happens with the DAX this morning. If the DAX starts to get going, you could see, we should get an indication of what the markets are looking to do going into the close of this week. But this has been a pretty much range-bound week for everything. Anyway, hope something I said helps you, but even if it is, keep your money in your pocket because it's probably the safest option. If you're on the 5-minute charts, and you're a range trader, you're probably killing it at the moment, but that's not my style. That's not who I am. So anyway, hope it helps. We will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.